Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can implement typewriter effect in your React app. To do that, you are going to search on Google npm typewriter effect. Typewriter effect. And copy this one. Then go to your VS Code, Ctrl J, and then install it. After it has done installing, you go to this page, and at the bottom of this page you are going to see this one. So you are going to copy this, import typewriter from typewriter effect, then put it here, and then copy this one, typewriter, and this is where you are going to use the typewriter effect, right? So in the span, put this. Let's see how it looks right now. See, this is what it is looking right now, and it is writing hello world. So if I want to write, hi, I am Fito, Caletta, a full stack web developer. Let's see how it looks. So we can see that it is working perfectly. Then you can change all the writings and everything so that it looks good. So this is a very short video. I'll see you in the next video.